Hello everyone, we are in the we're in Woodley next to the Castle Club, and let's have a look if our car can make it. We are the boat, and apparently isn't that deep, so let's have a look. We're gonna go reverse in. Driving. We're like a Range Rover now. It's quite deep now. It's quite deep. Clutch is slippering, but we make it. Yeah, we make it. I'm not gonna go on the bridge because the bridge gonna collapse and we're gonna be fucked up then. But let's have a go, have a look deeper. All for the local news. So as you can see, actually you can make it through. I make it through. See, the bridge is full of water. It's literally just on the edge. There's another slope there, but I think that's too deep to go there. I'm not gonna risk it. This car probably died here. That's why you're gonna be buried. Yeah, kind of flooded. It goes quite deeply, but the hotel is intact. So sorry, my head is shaking because it's so cold. So that's how it looks like. And yeah, you can make it. I think that what's it called? That Yaris is dead as well. My car is running, obviously a bit steaming, but it's alright. You know, old cars are tough cars. So enjoy. Oh my gosh, so cold now. So yeah, Woodley, it's flooded that side and look actually good. Well, it looks bad, but good that they didn't got any bigger. So that's the charge. Is the skip. It's quite a lot of water there. But yeah. Oh, we got a car there. A Vauxhall. That's not gonna go anywhere. An electric bike. Many bikes there, but that car is toast. So that's it. Oh, we got a customer. How's the water? Not too cold, or it's not perfectly fine then? We're gonna have a shower. Go on, okay. That's it then. See you guys later. So I'm gonna back up now and go out. We'll make it one way, we'll make another way out. Enjoy. Remember, go slow, you get it through. See ya guys.